Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys have a great day. Okay, here in this occasion, I'm Farlin Nindutara Sabra Shiva with student identification number 232122-067 will present my book project review in extensive reading course by Mrs. Asri Siti Fatima, Master of Education as the lecturer. I choose this book. The title is Focus, The Hidden Driver of Excellence by Daniel Goleman. The 308 pages, published on October 2013, with Psychological of Self-Improvement category. Okay, it is the basic ideas of Focus book. Focus emphasizes the power of focus in achieving success and personal fulfillment. Goleman argues that cultivating focus is essential in today's distraction world. The book explores the science behind focus, including its neurological basis. Practical strategies for improving concentration and attention are provided in this book. Goleman also offers a balanced and insightful perspective drawing from scientific research, personal anecdotes, and real-world examples. He examines focus from various angles, including psychological, neurological, and practical perspectives. The importance of focus in achieving excellence and success is emphasized. Challenges and distraction hindering focus are acknowledged. Leaders are encouraged to recognize the value of focus and implement practical strategies in their life. It can be for you, also for me. Okay. Hey guys, next talk about the session analysis. I think I including a dominant reading. Why? Because I totally agree with Bowman's ideas and concepts in this book. How he developed the context of this book with real experiences and events supported by his research. Also, one thing that took my heart is he, in the beginning of every chapter, begins with a rhetorical question. It seems so catchy to refresh the reader's energy. But okay, guys, I'm sure this book won't be able to accompany those of you to have fun, rest, or fill your free time to something fun. But I recommend this book as source of your self-improvement. At least you can understand, or maybe you be reminded how to focus again after doing some having fun. Yeah, at least you can turn to this book when you feel less productive or you feel you feel like there are a lot of distractions and you difficulty to overcome them. There are many ways, many tricks and motivation to at least can rebuild your focus again to get through your busy days, guys. I hope it is useful and I hope you are interested. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.